Power is not found. It is forged in the shadows.
I am not a narrator. I am a witness. In the shadows, I met Machiavelli, and he was nothing like the watered-down quotes you see online. He was colder, sharper, and far more dangerous. He taught me one truth. Power is never given. It is taken. You've been fed lies wrapped in silk, and you drank them like sweet wine, each sip laced with poison. They told you kindness was the currency of the strong, that vulnerability would save you. Look around. The wolves are feasting, and you're still begging for mercy. What you need is not healing. You need a rewrite of your entire operating system. Permission is a myth, invented by kings to keep you chained. From this day forward, you rebuild yourself as a strategist. And if this lonely path scares you, good. Fear means you're still alive. Rule 1. Burn your old blueprint. You've been living by a coward's blueprint. Be nice, be liked, be moral. But only when it served others. And what did you gain? Rejection, confusion, and weakness disguised as virtue. If you want to be untouchable, destroy what makes you predictable, soft, and obedient. Your habits, your beliefs, your automatic reactions, they were programmed to be used against you. That version of you has done its job. Now it must die. You don't need healing. You need reprogramming. A complete wipe of your emotional code. Comfort is a padded coffin. Convenience is slow death. Break the shell, or die inside it. Rule 2. Master your self-control. From this day forward, you will never bleed for free again. Every drop of emotion you give will have a price, and you will set that price. You become a locked safe with a hair trigger. Nothing leaves without your permission. The man who doesn't react rules. The one who jumps at every provocation loses. But don't mistake control for passivity. True control is not freezing out of fear. It's calculated restraint. It's knowing when to let others burn themselves out, expose their weakness, and collapse under their own weight, while you remain untouched. Your emotions are tools, not truths. Anger is fuel, not a steering wheel. Fear is information, not identity. Sadness can sharpen your focus, or drown you if you let it take over. In a world desperate for you to be emotionally available so they can control you, you build walls. Your new code is simple. If it triggers you, it owns you. If it owns you, it defeats you. Control your face, your tone, your silence. The pause before you speak will become your sharpest weapon. Rule 3. Train your darkness. Inside you lives a shadow, a part you were taught to hide, to bury, to deny. They told you that darkness made you evil. They lied. That shadow is not your weakness. It's your unused power. Pain, rage, cold calculation. All of it is raw material for the man who knows how to forge it. Don't destroy your darkness. Train it, command it, give it purpose. Every betrayal you've endured, every insult, every failure, they're bricks. Stack them. Build yourself with them. Light is not the absence of darkness. It's its balance. Strength is not repressing what you feel. It's integrating it until it works for you. The man who has never faced his demons shatters in the critical moment. The man who has sat them down and given them a job, that man is untouchable. Being dangerous is not the same as being reckless. Being cold is not the same as being heartless. The world does not respect purity. It respects power, as long as it's under control. Rule 4. Observe like a sniper. Most people walk through life blind. Not physically, psychologically. They don't see, they assume. They don't analyze, they react. You can't afford that luxury. A strategist becomes a lethal observer. When you enter a room, you're not there to be seen. You're there to see. Who avoids eye contact? Who smiles too much? Who can't handle silence? Every gesture, every micro-expression, every pause is intel. And in the game of power, intel is deadlier than any weapon. True mastery is silent. Noise exposes, silence reveals. Learn to detect insecurity in a blink, a lie in a change of tone, weakness in a forced laugh. You're not paranoid, you're precise. You see the strike coming 10 seconds before it lands. In a world of masks, there are only two options: see the game or be played by it. Rule 5: wear masks. Be yourself is the advice that keeps the weak exactly where they are. In this world, no one rises by showing their true face at all times. You must become whatever the moment demands, without hesitation, without guilt. Authenticity is a luxury. Adaptation is power. Machiavelli said it. The wise man imitates the fox and the lion, but never shows either completely. Your smile should calm. Your silence should intimidate. Your presence should always feel deliberate, never accidental. This is not faking, it's legend building. Your mission is to be underestimated when it serves you, feared when you need it, and never truly known by anyone. Mystery is not weakness, it's armor. Remember, predictability is the death of a strategist. Uncertainty is his shield. Rule 6: fortify your boundaries. Every time you say yes when you mean no, you sell a piece of your power. Every time you explain yourself to someone who doesn't deserve an explanation, you lower your value. Your boundaries are not selfish. They are sacred architecture protecting your mind, your energy, and your empire. No one respects what is always available. Your time, your attention, your presence must be earned. Those who get angry at your boundaries were living off you not having them. Let the drainers leave. Let the entitled walk away. Let the ones who confuse access with rights disappear. You don't need peace with everyone. You need power over your life. Your no is your first language. No excuses, no guilt, no delay. The man who doesn't guard his territory loses his kingdom. Rule 7: build alliances, not friendships. Friendship is emotional. Alliance is strategic. A strategist does not fill his circle with company. He fills it with utility, vision, and loyalty. Most friends are comfort in disguise. People who cheer your weaknesses and stay silent during your growth. You don't need company, you need momentum. Ask yourself, does this person make me sharper, stronger, more disciplined? If the answer is no, they are an anchor, not an ally. Kings did not surround their throne with jesters. They surrounded it with warriors and advisors. Do the same. Your circle must be small, selective, and sharp as a blade. Those who don't add value, subtract it. Rule 8: use silence as a weapon. Silence is not absence, it is concentrated power. The one who stays quiet when everyone talks creates tension. And tension is an invisible battlefield. People fear the void and rush to fill it with words, confessions, and mistakes. Every second you remain silent, they reveal more. Don't speak out of nerves. Speak only when your words can shift the energy in the room. Be the last to speak. Hear everything. Filter everything. Then drop your voice like a weight no one can ignore. When your silence is the norm, every phrase becomes an event. The mystery it creates will make them fear you more than any speech. Rule 9: delay pleasure. Pleasure is the invisible leash that keeps most men obedient. Comfort, easy food, instant validation, quick gratification, all designed to keep you docile. Every time you choose indulgence over mission, you sell your throne for crumbs. Power belongs to the one who can endure hunger, to the one who says no to impulse so he can say yes to the empire he's building. Discipline is not punishment, It is the signature of those who leave a legacy. You control pleasure by using it as a tool, not letting it own you. Take it when it serves you. Reject it when it distracts you. Never be a slave to the immediate reward. Be the ruler of the long game. Rule 10. The war never ends. Many think there's a finish line, that one day money will be made, respect earned, battles won, and then they can rest. That illusion is the final trap. There is no end, only evolution or decay. The moment you stop sharpening yourself, the world begins to erode what you've built. Comfort is a smiling assassin. The true strategist knows the game changes daily. An enemy you defeated yesterday may return with a different face. A temptation you resisted once will come back stronger. The throne you earn today will be tested tomorrow. That's why you never drop your guard. Power is not a single victory. It's a pulse you must keep alive with discipline, vision, and cold precision. You are not here to survive. You are here to reign. From today forward, you are more than a man. You are armed willpower. Pain turned to steel. Silence turned to strategy. Boundaries turned to law. You are not here to be liked. You are here to be unforgettable. Remember these 10 rules. They are not advice. They are the code that keeps you undefeated. This is not a motivational speech. This is a declaration of war. And every war needs its ruler.